And welcome. I am Trish and this is Trish Talks. And on this channel I offer up tips on interior design, home renovation projects, and gardening. And on today's video I'm going to be talking about our fixer-upper, specifically the small bathroom. So this is going to be a lot of fun. Let's get started. My husband and I recently purchased this 1963 vacation home that needs a complete renovation. In the last video, we completed the demo. So now it's time to start the construction project. And the bathroom is first up. Clearly, this bathroom has not been touched since 1963. Since it's currently the only bathroom in the house, I thought it best to renovate this room first. With any renovation, the first thing you're going to need to do is create a plan. A basic floor plan for this little bathroom will do. We're not relocating any plumbing, so all of the new fixtures will be placed in the current location. However, we are moving the entry to the bathroom. Since this is the only bathroom in the house, the entry was off of the main hallway. But now that we're adding a second bathroom to this house, we can close this entry off of the main hallway and create an entry into the bathroom from the bedroom. Now this bathroom will become an ensuite bathroom and turn this bedroom into a primary suite. Another added benefit to moving the bathroom's current entry is it will allow us to take these 3 small spaces and create one large closet. The new closet will house the stackable washer and dryer, a tankless water heater, and the main water shutoff valve. And I talked about that in an earlier video. So now let's get back to the bathroom design. After I've created a floor plan, I typically create a mood board to show how all of the elements will work together. And listen, I'm so excited. I have a new ebook out, and in that ebook features mood boards for every room of the house with clickable links. And I offer up a ton of interior design tips, functional tips, organization tips. You're gonna love it. I'll link it in the description box below. Check it out for yourself. Now, once the mood board is complete, I'll create renderings of the space so the client, or in this case, my family, can take a look at it and see if it's a space that they're gonna love to live in. That's very important. Once I receive the thumbs up, which I did in this case, it's time to take that design and turn it into reality. First, we needed to repair and replace some old pipes. That was expected. Then we changed out the large window in the shower area for a smaller one. I didn't want the windowsill to continue to get wet every time we ran the shower. I was worried about mold and a whole bunch of other stuff that comes with moisture and water, windows, you know. And quite honestly, I prefer a window that's up a little higher just for privacy. So I really like the small window that we went with. Next, the guys set the tub in place and began the tile work. I went with a white field tile on 2 of the walls and a black hexagon tile behind the sink and the toilet. I decided to use luxury vinyl tile, or LVT, on the remaining wall and floor since it's waterproof and scratch resistant. Really, I wanted to try it out in my bathroom so I could confidently recommend it to clients as an alternative to tile in their bathroom. So I wanted to try it out on us first. There was an issue with installation, however. My design called for black metal trim on 3 sides of the LVT. My contractor decided that the LVT didn't need the metal trim on the 2 sides, so installed the wall without it. So after a lengthy conversation with my contractor, he suggested that he would go back and fix it, but really the only way to fix it is to rip it all out and to do it over again. Ultimately, I decided that he was going to need to be pulled from this project. But fortunately for me, I had another contractor who I've worked with for years working on a different part of the house. And so he came over, jumped right in, and took care of it. And so I appreciate him for that. And the project continued on. So we did have another issue with the grout color. So they got to the store and there was no more black grout. And so they called for a substitution and they said that there's charcoal grout there. Would I mind that? And I said, no, charcoal is pretty dark. It should work. Big mistake. The charcoal grout came and it looked like it was light gray, and it just wasn't the look I was going for. It wasn't bad, but it just wasn't the look that I was going for. So I went on Amazon, I found those grout coloring pens, and I went into that bathroom once the tile work was done, and I colored in all of those grout lines with my black coloring pen. And I loved the end result. So, moral of the story is no substitutions. I'm just kidding. You're gonna have construction projects, and there are gonna be issues, and you'll have to work through them, including substitutions that you'll need to make. So if they get there and it's not there, perhaps we could look somewhere else. So, grout color. Next, the contractor set the toilet and the sink in, and then they installed this front and backlit mirror. Now you might be asking, why is that mirror so large? Well, if you've been watching my channel, you've heard me say this many times. Mirrors create the illusion of space and depth. And in this tiny little bathroom, I needed it to feel a lot bigger than what it is. And let me just say, I love this mirror. It lights up in the front and in the back. It has multiple colors to choose from, and it has an anti-fog button on the front there. So the controls are on the mirror, but in our case, we added an on and off switch by the door as well. A full height mirror and the tile bars add the finishing touches. And now our bathroom is complete. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and do share this video with a friend. It'll help me grow my small channel. Until next week. Bye.